Everybody, so I replaced the old Staples Burleson office chair. It finally broke this weekend. I had ordered a new chair off of Amazon, and it was sitting in the box in my living room over there for like nearly a week, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to just sit in this old worn out chair literally till it breaks, and I managed to finally break it. And here's some photos of it. So yeah, this chair here is a Realspace Fennington high back chair. Got this, actually, I got it on Amazon, but it's actually sold at Office Depot. And the funny thing about it is the base and caster wheels are actually off the old chair. I decided to keep the old base because it looks better than the new one that came with this chair. The new one was just a plain black plastic thing, and this one here, at least it looked better, so I kind of did a little bit of a half and half here of chairs. Well, we'll just say this, the base is the only thing I carried over. The lift cylinder and the rest of it is all the brand new chair. And I'm going to say, I'm definitely a bit more pleased with this chair than I was with that Staples Burleson chair back when it was brand new. The Burleson chair, it really just did not have that good of cushioning, and it just felt like a cheap chair overall. Matter of fact, less than a year after I got that chair, I had to replace the lift cylinder because, well, it wouldn't stay up. And it was a piece of crap anyway. It would only go up just barely. Whereas this one here, I don't even keep it at full height because otherwise it'd be too tall for my desk. So, of course, as typical, it's got the bonded leather, so we know what that means. Pleather or fake leather. So we know what's going to happen to it, and I give it maybe a year, if that, before it begins to start peeling. As much as I sit in this chair, it definitely won't last long until I have to put my throw cover back over it. But anyways, we'll let it look like a professional chair for now. But this one here, I mean, the padding is decent. It does feel like a pretty well constructed chair. This one, unlike the Staples Burleson, is made in Vietnam, not made in China. Yeah, hard to believe it, guys. Something's not made in China. So maybe this chair here will actually do a little better. I was considering doing an out-of-box assembly of this thing on video, but it was late, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go and throw it together. Besides, I decided to, as mentioned, do a little mismatch of chairs here. I kept the base off the old chair because it actually looks nicer than the one that came with this chair. I do still have it. It's in the closet along with the wheels that pop into it. And these things, they're kind of universal in a way. The base that came with this chair is exactly the same size. So yeah, there you have it. Brand new chair. So 9 years it's been since I bought a new chair. I'd say it's overdue. It was overdue. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.